Second half of section 13.1, the equation of a circle. All right, we've already talked about the equation of a circle. I've given it to you. X minus h squared equals y minus k quantity squared equals radius squared. So now this is going to be the easiest section of, well, of a long time. So what I want to do is this. I'm going to give you the center of the circle. I'm going to give you the radius, and I want you to give me the equation of that circle. All you have to do is put in the h and the k and the r, and you're done. This is so simple. Okay, so if the center is -4, 2, and the radius is 8, what we want is, we want this formula. So we want x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. So we know the k is -4, 2, so it's -4, and we want, and actually what? It's minus the negative, so it's +4. It's the opposite of what it is, and if we have 2, then it's -2. That's the, remember I told you that was the trickiest part. Here we go. And the radius is 8 squared. So now you just have to simplify it, and the only thing you need to do is to simplify this, leave this the way it is. 8 squared is 64. That's it. You're done. All right? Don't make this too hard. Okay? Once again, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. Center is -5, 2, so be careful. -5, it's going to be the opposite sign, so +5. You've got 2, so it's going to be -2 because it's the opposite sign. Remember? So if this was positive, this is negative. If this is negative, this is positive. And the radius is 3 square root of 5. So now, to simplify, all you're going to do is square this. So this is going to be 3 square root of 5 squared. Now be careful of this. So this is 3 times the square root of 5 times 3 times the square root of 5. So 3 times 3 is 9. And square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is 5. So this is all equal to 45. And you're done. Easy sneezy. Last one. The center is 3, -4, and a point on the circle is 7, -4. Ah! I don't have the radius. But remember, in the last section, we learned how to find the radius. The radius, remember, is just the distance between the center and any point on the circle. So find it real quick. The radius is the distance. So the distance formula is a square root of the difference between the x's plus the difference between the y's. And so let's do the 7 minus 3 first to keep things positive, just because we can. 7 minus 3 squared plus -4 minus a -4 quantity squared. 7 minus 3 is 4, and 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. -4 plus a +4, oh, that's nothing. Plus 0 squared is just 0. So the square root of 16 is 4. So the radius is 4. So now, just put everything in. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. So x minus 3 plus y minus a -4, so plus 4, equals 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. There's your final answer. Quickest lesson ever. Okay? So all you need to do is you need to know that formula, plug in your x, your k, and your radius. Don't forget to square the radius, and you're done. See you next time.